Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Today, we will be handling strip foundation for a 8.3 meters by 7.3 meters building. In civil engineering, strip foundation is a continuous strip of concrete that supports load-bearing walls by spreading their weight evenly along the ground. It is commonly used in buildings with relatively light to moderate loads where the soil has adequate bearing capacity. Now, let's go through the house plan so that we can proceed to site for setting out and excavation. This is how it will look like as we transfer the floor plan from paper onto the ground. Alright, let's start the construction process. Setting out and excavation. Trench details, depth 950 millimeters, width 700 millimeters, (50 millimeters lean concrete blinding, (50 millimeters concrete cover, fixing of strip footing reinforcement. Now, let us get more clarification on this foundation as we continue reinforcement work. This type of foundation is suitable for lightweight structures where small amount of load is expected and the soil-bearing capacity is very good. Hence, it does not require heavy reinforcement like other types of foundation in civil engineering. So, since this building is a small bungalow, we use 10 mm diameter reinforcement at 150 mm spacing for column points and 300 mm spacing for the rest area, since it's only block wall that will be resting on it. My professional advice to you is that before you adopt any kind of foundation for your structure, do soil test and engage a structural engineer for safety and economic reasons. Do not build by assumption. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Inspection of reinforcement work. Fixing of column reinforcement. Brace the reinforcement properly. Plumb and align the reinforcement to grid lines. Pouring of 175 mm thick concrete footing. Forming and laying of blocks. Squaring and alignment of the walls. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Formwork for starter columns. Casting of starter columns. Braces and formwork removal. Filling of block holes with lean concrete. Filling and compaction. Placing of concrete cover. Installation of BRC mesh. Pouring of 150 mm concrete slab. Allow for proper curing. General inspection. Now, we have completed the full construction process of this strip foundation. Expect the full construction and roofing of this bungalow in my next video. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Thanks for watching.